Hi, today I'm going to show you how to get the Excel data of the financial statements for listed companies in USA from SEC website. You will need the Excel financial data to do your own financial analysis if you want to do your own calculations or want to determine the business valuation by doing intrinsic value calculations, or if you want to do discounted cash flow model calculations. It's very easy to get the Excel data. Let's go to SEC website. Let's click over here. SEC website will open up. In the search box over here, let's say we want to search Excel data for Apple. So we will type Apple, and there you go. The first search result is Apple. Click on it. Go to this right column over here. You see 10K annual reports. Click on that. You see view all 10Ks and 10Qs. Click on that. It will bring up a list of all the 10K and 10Q that Apple has filed with SEC. We look at the latest annual report. So let's click on this filing over here. And when the new window opens, go to this interactive data. This is where the Excel data will be. So go to this interactive data. Click on it. And there you go. You see view Excel document. Click on this. It will then ask you where you want to save the Excel file. So go save. Once you've saved the Excel file, you can open it. So when you open the Excel file, you will see different tabs: cover page, auditor information, consolidated statements of operations. So we are interested in 3 financial statements: income statement, cash flow statement, balance sheet. So this consolidated statements of operations is basically the income statement or P&L statement. And then we go to balance sheet. Here we have assets and liabilities information for the entire company. And then we want to see cash flow statement. So that's the cash flow statement. And then there is a whole heap of different information over here, which is very good if you want to spend time in understanding the business and its financials. Basically, this statement is captured in that PDF 10K and 10Q report that Apple makes public every quarter and every year. So this is a quick and easy way to get the Excel data of the financial statements. Let's try another example. Go back to SEC. Let's say we want to look at the financial statements of Micron. We type Micron. We click on Micron Technology. Click on 10K. Click on view all 10Ks and 10Qs. I'll have a look at the latest quarterly report. I will click on filing. Then I will click on interactive data and view Excel document. So this will give me the Excel file of the latest quarterly report filed by Micron. So I will save it here. I can give it a name, Micron NQ latest. I will save it here and I will open it. And there you go. So this is the Micron quarterly financial data in Excel format. So we want to look at statement of operation, which is the income sheet or P&L sheet. There it is. We want to see the balance sheet. There it is. And we want to see the cash flow statements, which is over here. So this was a quick and easy way to get the Excel data of the financial statements of listed companies in America. Hope you've enjoyed it.